Hi everybody, this is Atama Katama and I'm coming to you from Sabah, East Malaysia on the island of Borneo. I would like to thank the committee of the United Nations Permanent Forum for allowing me to share some words about media. I've started making music and producing films since 2005 because of self-determination. Now, coming from a background of making music, particularly making hip hop music, I came from a background of wanting to develop a new sound for my community. So, what I did was develop two albums, which was a concept of fusion music, which involves traditional cultural knowledge, traditional cultural expressions, and the platform of hip hop dance music. Now, after that, I got involved with making films, indigenous people's films. So, beginning 2006, we began in an exploration to go out to the indigenous people and teach them and train them how to make films, especially telemovies. The telemovies that we make here in Sabah are not for the purpose of mainstream broadcasting because mainstream media has not allocated any space for indigenous people's product yet. So, in general, the results was this. We found out that indigenous people are so creative that they will use unconventional ways in expressing themselves on film. Indigenous people want to see themselves in films, in contents. They want to see how they look like. They want to hear themselves talking in their native tongue. They would like to see the environment, their own environment in films. They also want to be very proud because they have a self-determination of bringing themselves into film and making it into contents which is later circulated on social media. Until today, we have been guiding up to 30 communities in Sabah and we have produced up to 32 telemovies based on indigenous people's struggles and stories. Most of these telemovies that we do become instant hits because the community in general love to see their own culture and their own face. What more, the indigenous people. The time has come for indigenous people worldwide to claim media by being creative. We can create entertainment and infotainment to share the declarations and empower our people through films. We know that social media is a branch of multimedia, right? Social media, we can take that opportunity to create our own. Now, states all over the world already have broadband. They have internet facilities. Now, what indigenous people need to do right now is come out and claim all these infrastructures that the state has made. So we need to tell the state that we are able to manage our own industry, making entertainment something accessible to our people to gauge them to respond more to the declarations that has been given to them. In order for us to be competitive with mainstream media, we must be able to create fun, creative, and innovative programs in terms of content of music, films, animations, and any other creative content to be played on air. In order to have this kind of facility, first of all, we need to have expertise. We need to have an industry. We need to build an industry for indigenous people's creativity. I would like to call upon the Secretariat of the Permanent Forum of Indigenous Peoples to study the viability of creating indigenous people's broadcasting systems and made into industries that indigenous people can benefit from. The time has come for us to claim our rights. I really believe that we can do it. Indigenous peoples, we have to rise to this occasion and we have to show them, who is the real deal on this planet. So again, congratulations to the organizers, and I just want to say once again, happy celebrating World Indigenous Day to all my brothers and sisters all over the world. Atama Katama from Borneo, this is the Tribal General saying peace.